Customer can place an order through eSamudaya customer application. They will open the application and they'll be able to see the circle. Here in this case you can see an essential circle which can be set up within a day, and it has all pre-configured stores which includes a grocery store, a fruits and vegetable store, and a COVID essential store. Now for placing order, the customer needs to select the store from which he has to place the order. Add the products to the cart. Go to the cart. You can add some notes if needed and select the address where he wants the delivery and place order. On placing the order, the merchant receives a notification in his merchant application which is Foodray. Now when merchant will open the store, he can see the profile of his store from where he can do the settings related to delivery, store open, address, everything. And the delivery distance for any store can be changed required by the business. Now for processing the order, the merchant needs to come to the order screen. Here he will be able to see the order. He can make the changes if needed and update it, or can directly accept the order if he has all the products. Once he accepts the order moves to the accepted state. Once he has prepared the order, he can mark it ready and assign it to the delivery agent. Now the delivery agent will receive a delivery request in his application, which is eSamudaya. He will be able to see the details. He can accept the order. Once he accepts the order, he will go to the merchant. From there he can mark it as pickup, confirm. Once he reaches to the customer, he can mark it drop and confirm whether the payment has been done based on COD or an online payment. Now with this, the order is completed. The customer will get the notification, which you can see here in the customer application, order details.